Well, the day is finally upon us. I guess we're going to all have to agree this is not per the manufacturer recommendation. We are going to straighten the bumper, the rear bumper of the skid steer. It has a little whoop in it. Not a big deal. We're going to straighten that using the trailer winch with the door braced against a tree. So the initial thought, don't know if it's going to work, but this hinge will be able to free. This is going to go towards the tree, and we're going to pull right there with the winch slowly and controlled and see if we can't straighten the bumper out to put a real bumper behind a bumper. Here we go. Oh yeah. I got two 2x4s to distribute the stress of the pull to hopefully have the whole thing pull flat. It's a thought. There's the door. It's kind of flush to a tree, so hopefully we don't, twist it and get that all kittywampus. Yeah, no idea if this is going to work or not, but thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Get the key down there. Okay, there's the keyway. All right, that should be on. Here's my remote. How do we turn it on? Oh, sounds like we're going. All right, there we go. We're a little tight. Let's go see how this is. Ain't terrible. I think we're moving the whole tractor. Definitely. All right, let's go fix that. All right, chocked all four wheels. Well, ain't perfect, but if it fits, it ships. And Harbor Freight to the rescue. Got a little dip in there, so we're just going to pull it up a little. Here we go. Probably hard to see, but it's really all we needed. I purchased a bumper for the Takeuchi TL12 R2 from the dealer. So whatever bumper you order from the dealer, this should be it. The only thing that we need to do is, manhandle this thing on the back of the Takeuchi TL12 and bolt it in. What could go wrong? Bolts, washers, grade 10.9. Let's get some metric sockets. Let's go to town. So I just got done blowing off the equipment. I got to open up the back so I can blow out underneath the, hydraulic ram towers, lift towers. It's all an open cavity under here. It is guarded, which is great. And then there's a big hole under here, which is also great, and everything blows right through. But if you're interested, there's a little, at the Takeuchi TL12 factory bumper, little latch pin. You pull that, you just lift the pin up, and it opens up like that. I don't know, installation was 4 bolts here, 4 bolts there. It took me, I don't know, not an hour. The biggest thing was, lifting it, and I just used the tractor. But yeah, it's pretty neat little bumper, I guess. So now I'm gonna blow out the rest of it and make a bunch of dust. So